Login problem in Warzone Mobile fixed. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix login problems in Warzone Mobile. This issue is usually caused by overloaded servers, as many players from all over the world want to play and enjoy the game. Since the game has just been released, the buzz around it may continue for days and possibly even weeks, depending on how much capacity the servers have and how much the fans enjoy the game. If the reason for the login issue is overloaded servers, then there's nothing you can do to get around it, except to log in at night when most players are sleeping. However, overloaded servers are not always the cause of login issues. The problem of a slow or intermittent internet connection is quite common and may be one of the reasons for the login issue. Still, even if you manage to log into the game, it is extremely difficult to take part in battles with a poor internet connection due to constant high ping. First of all, be sure to check the stability and speed of your internet connection. If you use a VPN, be sure to turn it off because it takes a significant amount of traffic. If your internet connection is fine, check to see if you made a mistake during the authorization process. Make sure you entered all the data correctly and did not make a mistake when entering your username or password. It is also recommended that you enable two-factor authentication. This will not only make authorization easier, but also protect your account from intruders. To do this, you will need to visit the official activation website. Log into your account and go to the Privacy and Security tab, where the 2FA option will be available. If none of the above methods is the cause of the login issue, then you may be using an outdated version of the game. Although Warzone Mobile was released just recently, the developers are constantly working to improve it and release new updates and patches. If your device hasn't automatically downloaded them, this may be the cause of the login issue. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check it out. If you can update the game, then do so and try to log in again, and you will likely be able to do so.